Have you been searching for that perfect home? Well, this center staircase Colonial could be the one for you.
44 Gonet Drive, Newmarket, New Hampshire. Welcome to our newest listing. This 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath sits at the end of a cul-de-sac beautifully on a landscaped lot.
Some of the wonderful features in this home: new granite countertops, wood-burning fireplace, mini splits, full house irrigation, finished basement with a 3/4 bath, hardwood floors, 2 living rooms, and a formal dining.
This home even has a walk-up attic that's completely finished for extra space. If you have a lot of toys or need extra space, this home even has a detached 1-car garage. Properties like this don't come on the market every day.
Schedule your private showing today.